What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Today, we're going to do an unboxing and a first impression for some products from We the People holsters. So, let's just dive in. So today, we're going to be using the Gerber EAB knife to get into this package. If you missed this, I did a review of it. I'll put a card up top. You can go check it out if you're interested. It is a replaceable blade box knife, but you can remove that blade, and it is a folding knife. So there we go. Let's just see what we got in here. I know what they are too. So let us see. All right, all your purchases from We the People are going to come with a nice little bag. Nice little carrying bag. You can put your stuff in and carry it. We have a nice little card there. We got a little discount code on the back, and we have a sticker. Who don't like stickers? Anyway, if you're new to my channel, I am part of the We the People Pro staff, which means We the People sends me this stuff for me to open, review, test, everything for you guys. So that's what we're doing here. Some of this stuff, one of these items, we're going to come back and do a full review on down the road. But right now, we're just unboxing it to give you guys a first look at some of this stuff. Next, we have a t-shirt. Let's get into it. Oh, yeah. Don't tread on me, We the People holsters. There it is. Black. I think it came in two colors. I can't remember. Then we have see if I can get the sticker off. Second Amendment. Outside the waistband. American flag holster. That looks so much better than the picture. That's awesome. So there we go. There's that. And then last but not least, I hope this is okay because it's been sitting in some heat. But this is new to We the People holsters. Bacon jerky. Bacon jerky. They've got 4 different flavors that you can choose from. I think might be 3. Anyway, there's 3 or 4 different flavors you can choose from, and I picked sriracha. So we're fixing to get into this and see how it is. Who don't like bacon and who don't like jerky? Put them all together and you got bacon jerky, and let's give it a go. Oh my god. Alright, so you can see that. Can you see it? I know it don't do it justice. Oh my god. I don't want to get a clump. I don't want to eat it all right now. Oh man. Listen, get over to We the People holsters, get you a holster, get you a t-shirt, and get you some bacon jerky. This is amazing. It's got a little bit of heat to it. That's sriracha. Yes. Okay, anyway, it's sticky too. Two ounces of jerky right here. All right, I thought it would be a little bit smaller than this. That's a pretty good sized pack of jerky. We the People holsters, they have jerky, bacon jerky, not just any jerky, bacon jerky. So get over and check it out. Link will be in the description below. This stuff is amazing. It's got a little heat and it's coming as an afterburn, but I love it. I love some hot. So that's all we got today, guys. There'll be a full review of this coming up soon, and because the last one I did for the outside the waistband was for my G27. This one is for my G23, so we're going with a little bit bigger platform, and I want to see how it does with that being a little bit larger tool in here to see if it still has the same retention and all that kind of stuff. So I will definitely get back with you on that. But the pattern and the print is absolutely amazing. So, like I said, if you're interested, there will be a link in the description below. You get over and check it out. I am part of the We the People Pro staff, and what that means is I will get a commission if you click the link in the description to make a purchase. All that money does go back to this channel to help this channel by purchasing better equipment or items to review, that kind of thing. You know how it all works, but I don't just go and blow it. It does go back into the channel. So if you're interested in helping, I will go ahead and thank you in advance. And just, yeah, until then, I'll leave that with you. So you decide. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. That's another way you can help this channel, is hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up button. You don't have to make a purchase to help the channel. You can just hit that subscribe button, and it does greatly help the channel. And I think that's it. So until next time, stay bearded. Go buy you some jerky. Get outdoors, and God bless.